Hello and welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn how can we insert data in our tables using Insert SQL command. In the previous video, we learned how can we create this kind of tables using SQL command. But in this video, we are going to learn how can we insert data in our table. When we insert data into a table, then we need to use a SQL command. So first we need to type insert into. Then we need to type our table name. According to the previous video, it may be personal or product. Then inside the round braces, then you need to provide the column names where you want to save data. And we need to use comma between our column names. And then we need to use another keyword, values. Then inside the round braces, we need to provide our values. But you need to remember one thing. You have to arrange the values in the same way as you arrange the column names. I want to say, if your column 1 is gender and column 2 is age, then first you need to provide gender value as value 1 and then you need to provide age value. It's completely up to you how you want to sort the column names. So without wasting your time, let's get into the MySQL Workbench application, and then I'm going to show you how we can insert data in our tables. But first we need to start our XAMPP server, and first I'm going to start Apache and then I'm going to start MySQL, and just wait for green signal. Now your server is ready for job. Then back to MySQL Workbench application, and I'm going to start my connection, which is demo. So I'm going to double click on it. First you see our old command with which we made our table. In the left side you can see our database name, which is student, and inside the database you can see our tables name. First one is personal and second one is product. And now I want to save data in our personal table. And if I open our columns, you can see we have 5 different columns: ID, name, birth date, phone and gender. And now I'm going to remove the old SQL command. And then I'm going to write our command. Insert into, then we need to take our table name. And our table name is personal. And then I'm going to take round braces. Inside the round braces, I'm going to take our column names. Our first column name is ID, comma, our second column name is name. Then birth date. Our fourth column is phone and our last column is gender. Then we need to insert value in our columns. So I'm going to use values keyword and I'm going to take round braces once again. Then I'm going to provide values same order as column names. For ID, I'm going to take 1. It's an integer value. So I don't need type this value inside the quotation. Our next value is a string value. For name, I'm going to type add 1 minch, comma, for birth date, I'm going to type, similarly I'm going to take inverted quotes, and our format is year, month and date. Year is 1995, month is 05, means May, and the date is 3. And then we need to provide his phone number, and our data type is varchar, and phone number is 000999888. Then we need to take value for gender. If you remember, we set limit for gender. For gender, we can take only 1 character. So I'm going to pass capital M for male. So finally, our command is complete. And now I'm going to execute this command. So I'm going to press this thunder icon. And you can see in my output section, the signal is green. It's mean it execute our command perfectly. Let me show you my tables. And I'm going to hover on my table's name. And once again you can see 3 dot icons. And I'm going to click on the table icon. And you can see it's open our table. And also you can see the data. ID 1, name add 1 minch, phone number, gender. Using this SQL command, you can add data one by one. But in the next video, we are going to learn how we can insert multiple rows in our table. Thanks for watching this video.
Press the bell icon and subscribe the YouTube channel Getsitement. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and share this video with your friend. I will see you guys in my next video.